invite Pastor Mboro, who's amongst us here, just for 3 minutes. May I invite Pastor Mboro before I hand over to my chaplain. Pastor Mboro. No, he's coming to talk.
Thank you, Programs Director. I greet you all in the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ. In this day, ke rata ho dumedisa hape le our Honorable Minister Mhleko, Deputy Ministers, our MC Skim Saka, Honorable Faith Masbugo. Ke leboha re ke bue fela hanyane hore in this painful, difficult time where the family is going through the crisis that they are going through, it is always wonderful when we see people entertain us, do things. That Mafela was going in some places, giving free services. But when you die, you are alone, your family is forgotten. And it's very important to celebrate people also when they are still alive. And when they go, let's do something for those who are their families and show we value their lives. Celebrities, artists, actors, my last words, my request to you, Kohore. I've watched Americans and our brothers from Africa, they support one another. It will be a great thing that you support one another. What happens to one will happen to the other. Baba seng ba sebeditsa holo ba hodileng, some are forgotten. It's good hore rebele moya o. Rebina Pinena Shebeleza right now. It will be great if anyone, all of you who are here, can download this song so that the family can remain with something. And not just sing it, but download it and play it. Jangoba Gwiwa Eman Ngobena Gwiwa, the whole country, to show Goti Ubabos Tumo. Lembongo Leabo Sismay, but Hambe Segan Nama character manning. Yabonga Gakulu, God bless you.